Welcome to my new blog post 33. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the relational algebra. Uh, these series in these blog posts, which are actually related to relational algebra. This is the first one in the series, so you will get to know more about relational algebra in upcoming blog posts. So let us start with the relational algebra. So first of all, the first thing that actually comes into our mind is like what actually is the relational algebra. So relational algebra is a procedural query language which takes relations as an input and returns relations as an output. So actually we really need to understand like what does this definition mean with respect to our databases or the queries. So when we actually map relational algebra to our SQL queries, the basic thing that we need to understand that in SQL database, the basic point of storage is basically your table. And when we map the term table to relational algebra, it means the relation. So table means a relation. So whenever you perform something by utilizing set theory and utilizing the relational algebra on a relation or a table, you will also get something as an your output, and that would be also a relation. And in SQL terms, you will get a table. So there are basically a few operators, and these are very basic operators which can be applied on these relations to produce the required results that you actually want. So there are six basic operators, and first one is select, which is normally denoted by omega. Uh, then there is project. It is normally denoted by pi. Then there is a union operator, which is normally denoted by U. And then there is a set difference, which is normally denoted by minus sign. And then there is a Cartesian product, which is normally denoted by X. And then the last one is rename, which is normally denoted by phi. So how we will actually apply these basic operations on relations, we will see them in our upcoming blog posts. So I hope so you have understood the concept of the relational algebra.